Welcome to Picky Assist. In this video, we are going to explain how Picky Assist integrates WhatsApp into your Zoho CRM. First, let's have a quick look what all features we have for you. We will explain each feature in detail in this video. The first feature is seamless integration. Picky Assist integrates WhatsApp very tightly into the Zoho CRM. No more Chrome extension or WhatsApp web required. Now we have live chat. Real-time live chat allows you to have a one-to-one conversation with each customer in your Zoho CRM. You can send and receive media files, attachments within the CRM. Now you can send personalized bulk messages like new offers, urgent notification, etc. from your Zoho CRM. Now we support sending WhatsApp templates, or you can integrate WhatsApp official API as well as with our Zoho CRM. Quick reply is a great feature to save your agent time. Just save message templates with the images, videos or documents and just send with a tap. Automation and workflows integrates very tightly with your complex workflow to automatically send messages based on the rules configured by you. With the sales signal, you can get real-time notification alerts for incoming messages right into your Zoho CRM. Create leads or contacts automatically in the CRM when someone sends you a message. Now, proactive message allows you to start a conversation right from your Zoho CRM. Now, custom development. In case our standard features don't cover your business use cases, then don't worry, we offer customized solution in order to meet your business needs. Now let's install the Picky Assist extension from the Zoho Marketplace. So just tap the install button. Now accept the terms and conditions, then tap install. Okay. Now again accept the both terms and conditions. Now you can install it for all users. Okay, now click on authorize button to link your Picky Assist account with the Zoho CRM. Yeah, just log in with your username and password. Select the project you would like to link. Okay, now you have successfully linked your Picky Assist account with the Zoho CRM. Now log in into your Picky Assist account. Then navigate to settings, tap on app, then Zoho CRM under settings. Here we have few settings which can configure as per your requirements. You can see the project is connected with the Zoho CRM account. Now enable chat widget means whether your CRM users able to see the chat option or not. You can disable it anytime. Channel means what all channels needs to show in the Zoho CRM. You can tick or untick as per your requirements. Now notification or sales signal means whenever a new WhatsApp or SMS comes to your number, then you can notify the lead owner. This notification will show inside the Zoho CRM. You can turn this off anytime. Add number automatically is a feature which allows you to decide what action need to be taken if a person who is not in your CRM contact sending a message. If you have enabled add number automatically to Zoho CRM, then the extension will automatically add the number into the Zoho module as selected below. Now in the select module, the number to be added. So it can be either contact or lead module. Then the select field name, it can be mobile or phone field in the module. Lead source means which allows you to identify the source of the lead in the Zoho CRM. You can edit the name as per the lead source data available in your Zoho CRM. So now click on update to save the changes. So that's all the settings which you need to do with the Picky Assist account. Okay, now next step is to start testing our integration. We are going to use WhatsApp shared number for testing. So let's navigate to settings. Then first enable the WhatsApp shared number. Those who are using WhatsApp official and phone automation can use their own number. We will be using the Indian shared number for testing now. So we will be using this number for testing. To pair with the WhatsApp shared number, first we have to send a keyword as shown here. So let's copy this keyword and open the WhatsApp shared number and paste it there. Just copy it, then open the WhatsApp, then we can share it, then we can send it here. Now let's navigate to Zoho CRM lead module and let's refresh. So here you can see that a new lead is created. The lead name, the lead source and the mobile number. Now just tap on the lead name to see more details about the lead. So here you can see more details about the lead. Now tap on WhatsApp. Here you can see the message which we have sent. So this is the chat widget where we can do a real-time live chat session with your customers. So we can do the formatting here like bold, then italics, strikethrough. We can attach different media files like image, videos, audios, documents. Then we can make our conversation more fun and interactive using the emojis. Then we have WhatsApp templates. Those who are using WhatsApp official or shared number, these pre-approved templates from WhatsApp they can send. Then we have attributes which helps you to personalize the conversation by inserting the values from your Zoho CRM fields. So these values will get replaced when you send a message. Now we have a feature called quick reply, which saves a lot of time of your agents by saving most frequently used message here. We can save the messages with attachments or files like your product images or business proposals. Okay, now let's send a message. Here we want to personalize the message with the value in Zoho CRM. So let's type hello. Now we want to insert full name here. There are two ways to insert value from the Zoho CRM. The first way is to click on attribute and search for full name. This is one option. Then the other and quick method is to use keyboard shortcuts. That is, you can simply type two curly brackets, which will open an attribute window automatically, and you can continue typing full name here. Then just select the full name and tap enter. Now let's type. Now continue typing. Now You can see that I got the message instantly here. Okay, now let's reply what services you provide. Now, if you are in any other pages in the CRM, you can see a notification here. And on ticking the notification, it opens the corresponding module, and you can see, you can see the reply here. Now let's see how the quick reply works. So quick replies are set of predefined messages which you can save in order to avoid typing the most frequently used replies. So you can even save quick replies with images, or you can use the attribute fields as well to personalize the replies. So you can save with images or videos, like your product images, your product videos, your proposals. Like you can save it and reuse it, and we have a shortcut key to find the quick replies. So now you can insert the quick reply manually from here, or we have a keyboard shortcut. Just type / and it opens all the quick replies. Then just type the shortcut, so and just select the. So this is how the quick reply works. So let's see how the image works here. Now you can see that an image is sent. We are confident that this feature will definitely save a lot of your agent time. Now let's see how WhatsApp template works. This is applicable only for those who are using WhatsApp official number or WhatsApp shared number. So template messages are pre-approved messages which can be used to send once the session is expired, that is after 24 hours from the last user message, or it can be used to initiate a conversation with the user as well. So all your approved templates will be listed here. Now you can just pick a template which you would like to send to the user. So in our case, let's take opt-in. So this is the template structure which we got approval from the WhatsApp. You can see the dear curly bracket 1. So you can replace the curly bracket contents with your own contents. So just scroll down. So dear we can replace with the full name here. Now the 2 is the company name. So we can just replace with the company name. And 3 is available now in if you wish to receive updates from. So again it's company name. Now reply with the start. Now 5 means reply with the 5 to opt out. So stop. Then here again company name. So this is how the templates you can use that. Then just click on the templates. So you can see that all the variables get replaced with the corresponding values. So you don't need to type all the messages here. You just need to fill the values. So this is how WhatsApp business template works. Now let's consider that a user have 2 mobile numbers saved in the Zoho CRM phone and mobile fields. So if a contact or lead have multiple mobile numbers saved, then you will able to see an additional drop down where you can switch between contacts, like here. Since no history found, so we can simply switch between 2 mobile numbers to send or check the messages from 2 mobile numbers. Then here you can switch between applications or channels. So all the channels which you have enabled for the Zoho CRM will be listed here, like WhatsApp or SMS. You can switch between channels also, like then we have another feature called Whisper, which helps you to take an internal note, or if multiple agents are chatting at a time, this feature allow you to give the instruction internally. Whispered message will not send to the customers, like internal note. So this message will not send to the customer. You can see the agent name who whispered here. And now let's see how to send mass personalized messages. This helps you to send mass messages to the selected or filtered users in your modules. So let's select multiple contacts from here. Then just click on WhatsApp. Now the first select number. So this is the number field which you would like to use from the CRM. You can switch between phone or mobile. Select channel, from which channel the message should go, like WhatsApp or SMS. Now you can see here the send to selected users. This means the message will send only to the selected users, that in our case only 2 users. But if you want to send message to all the users in the module, then you can just tap on send to all users. So we are just selecting send to selected 2 users. Now here you can enter the messages here. You can personalize here, like bulk messages. So now you can see that message has been successfully sent. We can see that we have received the message. Now let's see how we can integrate Picky Assist into the workflow automation tools. Navigate to settings. Then under the automation, click on workflow rules. Then click on create rule. Then select a module to associate. So let's select leads here. Give a rule name, lead alert thank you message. So this is the workflow builder of Zoho CRM. This is one of the powerful features of the Zoho CRM, which allows you to automate many tasks, like you can send an alert to yourself when a lead status changes to qualified, or you can send an alert to the user when a new invoice is created in the Zoho CRM. You can send an automatic greeting messages like birthday wishes. You can send the meeting links when a new Zoho meeting is created in the CRM. Like, you can have many features you can do with the workflow automation. We will now demonstrate a simple use case which sends a thank you message to the user when a lead is created in the Zoho CRM. So let's get started. Here we can configure when the workflow should be executed. It can be on a record action, or on a date, time, or based on the score. So in our case, we are going to create on a record action create. That means whenever a new lead is created, we want to alert a new users. So you can do the updation based on the field update, like a specific lead status gets changed, you can alert yourself, or you can send a message to your users. So let's tap on create, then next. So this is where we have to define the conditions. So based on this condition, Zoho executes the workflow. So you can lead matching certain conditions, where you can define different conditions from your lead module, like matching certain companies. You can type the company name, or you can add more conditions here if you require. Now like we will be switching to leads. That means when it applicable for all the leads. Now tap on next. Now here this is the instant action. So instant actions means when the above two conditions or the above conditions met, okay, an action need to be taken. So here we have to select the webhook. Okay, now webhook means Zoho will send a notification to Picky Assist servers whenever a workflow executed. This allows Picky Assist to send message as per the settings you have configured. Here we have to copy and paste few codes and URLs. So let's get started. Now let's give a name here. Picky API. So you can reuse the webhook in the another workflows. Now URL to notify. This is something which we have to get it from the Picky Assist help desk, and method is post method. So now let's navigate to the Picky Assist help desk to fill the below parameters. So you can, under the setting app add-on, you can just click on setting app Zoho CRM. So here we can navigate to sending automatic messages. Here you can see step-by-step informations about how webhook works. Okay, now URL to notify, just copy this and paste it here. Now make sure that the method is post, then user defined format, then we have to click on add parameter, then the parameter name. So the parameter name should be, we can get the parameter name should be data. Okay, now parameter value, this is something which we need to understand very clearly how it works. Okay, so it's a JSON code which we have given some samples code here. So this is the code will look like this. So this code will have certain variable names, like you can see the token, application, then the number and the messages. So let me explain how this works. So token is something which you can generate from your Picky Assist account. So now let's go to the Picky Assist account and go to the settings, then navigate to the API tokens, then tap on generate. So now this is the token. Okay, this is used to authenticate the request. We have to copy this, just tap and it will copy to the clipboard. Now we need application. So the applications we have, these are the variables available for the application. So if you type like application then is equal to 1, that means it is a WhatsApp personal under phone automation, 2 WhatsApp business, 3 SMS, and 8 those who are using WhatsApp official, they have to type 8. And since we are now using the WhatsApp shared number, we will be using application means this number. Okay, now in the data field you can see the number and message. So the number means the mobile number with the country code. So this we can input from the Zoho CRM module, and the message which we can able to type it, and for customization we use the Zoho CRM fields. So let's copy this and just paste it here. Okay, now we have to just replace the token here. Again let me copy it again and just select and paste. Okay, now application is correct. Now if you are using WhatsApp official or phone automation, you have to just change it accordingly. Now we have the number field. So number field, you can see I have already inserted the, so make sure you are pasting between the double quotes. So just type hash here. Now you can get the phone number as well, like you can just go to the and get the phone. Under the leads you can get the phone. Now lead phone. Now message, in the message like you can type, I have pre-filled the messages, but you can customize the message which you needed. So customization from, if you would like to add any data from your Zoho CRM, just type hash and you can select the modules here. Like you can even select the data from the other modules. Just make sure that the codes are not accidentally getting deleted or edited, like brackets, double quotes. Since it's a JSON code, if the structure got changed, then it may not work as it should be. Now just tap Save and Associate. So now we have successfully configured the workflow. So this workflow will execute when a new lead is created, and this will execute for all leads, and the instant action that it will trigger the Picky Assist API, and the API will send the message. So now just click on Save. Then make sure that the status is turned on here. Okay. So now we have to test it. Let's go to the leads module. Now just create a lead. Picky. Now we can just type the both fields. That's it, and save. Now you can immediately see that there is a message automatically triggers. You can see the same message under the report session. See, the messages got delivered. So this is how the workflow automation works with the Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching this video. Get started now with the Picky Assist extension for Zoho CRM.